Welcome to part 2, Digital CEOs. You have seen how starting an online business with zero money is possible. Now let's make that happen. In this part, I'm going to be walking you through the next crucial steps to set up, launch, and watch your business take off. And remember, I have a free launch checklist for you at the end of this video, so make sure you watch to the end. In part 1, we covered picking out a profitable niche by identifying what you are good at, what you are passionate about. We also looked at researching out what people are already paying for, what is in demand in your niche. We looked at picking out a good competitor, and finally, validation of your niche. So if you have not seen part 1, I'm going to drop a link in the description. So after watching this, you can go back and watch part 1. And step 2 is setting up your online presence. Building an online presence is essential for success in today's digital world. Whether you're launching out a business, a personal brand, or just a side hustle, you need to stay visible online. And here's how to set it up step by step using free tools. So step 2A will be building a website for your business. It's going to be free website, no coding. You're not paying a developer to do anything for you. You're going to do it by yourself. It's just plug and play. Okay, so this is optional. Whether you do it or you don't do it, your business will thrive in other platforms. But as your digital coach, I will advise you to have a website for your business. Why? It builds trust and credibility. When people are searching online for a business and they cannot find the website, they assume it's not legit. A professional website makes you look established and trustworthy. And remember, your competitors, they have websites. When you want to place your business side by side with another business, this one with a website will look more established than yours. So getting a website is not optional for my students. Yeah, I'm going to show you free tools you can use to build your website. So the first one is Google Sites. This is the easiest way to start. Google Site is best for beginners who want a free, no-code website for personal use, for portfolios, or for just simple business pages. Why? It's just drag and drop simplicity. You're not coding anything, no design skill needed. If you have everything that you need to use to set up ready, under an hour, your website is up. So the next feature I'm going to show you that you can use to build a free website is Systemy.io. This is best for entrepreneurs looking to sell online courses, you have ebooks, you have a coaching program or digital products without hiring a developer. This platform is all-in-one platform. It's like a website, it has email marketing, it has sales funnels in one place, easy payment integration, accepts payment directly to your site. So this is just a drag and drop editor, no coding, but this is more advanced than Google Sites. So if you don't have any idea of setups, I'll advise you to start with Google Sites. The next one will be Card. So this is best for personal branding and just one-page sites. For creators, influencers, freelancers who need a sleek, modern website just to showcase their work. Perfect for resumes, portfolios, social media bios. Okay, in Google Sites you have so many pages, but in Card you have just one page. It's just for like a personal brand website. Okay, so you see, it's that easy to build a website. It's just plug and play. Okay, so you don't have any excuse why your business should not have a website. If you have questions concerning this, just go to the comment section and type your questions. And if you want me to teach you how to do it live, if I see your comments, I may oblige. Step 2B will be social media. Choosing the right platform for your business. Not all social media platforms are created equal. So you have to choose the right one based on what you do. Even if you want to have all the platforms, you have to give priority to the ones that your kind of business thrives better on. Let's say Mr. Ken is a professional expert and his services are coaching professionals on budgeting, expenditure, income. So which platform do you think he's going to thrive more on, or he should make his priority? LinkedIn, YouTube, then every other one can follow. Do you see that? Because in LinkedIn, he's going to connect more with professionals, while on YouTube, he can be doing tutorials, coaching. So you have to choose your priority platform based on what you do. For Instagram and TikTok, best for visual brands, influencers, content creators. For YouTube, it's ideal for long-term content, okay? Tutorials, storytelling, education. For LinkedIn, it's perfect for networking, okay? Professional growth, business visibility. So when you are just starting, I will advise you start with 1 or 2, master it, dominate the platform. Then as you are growing, you can now extend to other platforms. Why? So you don't spread out yourself too thin, or you burn out. You don't become so tired and now leave your business and run away. Okay, the next step will be 2C, getting a free logo and branding to make your business look professional. And the free tool we're going to be using will be Canva. Canva is a free design website. It also have a premium version, but we're going to start with the free version. They have a lot of free templates where you can just go in and change the colors to your brand colors, change initial to your brand initials. Have a lot of templates you can choose from. They are free. So you're also going to create your social media banners in Canva. It's free. You're also going to have branded templates for your posts. Branding makes your content instantly recognizable. The moment you see it, oh, this is for this brand. Okay, CEOs, I'm going to give you a test and show you 5 logos, then give you 4 seconds to tell me which brand you recognize. So test 1, which logo is this? Test 2, which brand is this? Test 3, which brand is this? Test 4, which brand is this? Test 5, which brand is this? Good job. Go to the comment section and write down your answers. But if you feel you're not sure about it, you can ask somebody. I'm sure they know. Okay, they are very popular brands. So this is what branding does. Having a logo. I didn't call any name of any brand. You saw it, you named it. So if somebody sees your logo, they should be able to say, this is for this brand. That's how it works. So unique is an essential part of your business. So the next step is 2D, getting a business email. And the free tool you can use is Zoho Mail or Gmail. It makes you stand out. It shows you are serious about your business. So the final step is step 2E, link everything together. Add your website link to your social media bios. Keep the same profile picture and colors everywhere. On your website, the same profile picture, the same banners. On your YouTube, the same profile picture. And every platform that you find your business, it has the same profile picture. It has the same colors. All right. So our online business is up and it's running. Okay, so if you have found value watching, I would like you to join the community. Please like, subscribe, and share so that somebody out there will gain value too. And remember, I promised you a free launch checklist to help you get started. So I'm going to put the link in the description so you can get it and begin to tick step by step as you set up your business. If you have questions concerning what I've talked about today, and there's an area you think, I can't make this logo, it's too hard for me, I can't brand, just go to the comment section, type, tell me how I can help you. Okay, tell me what you are struggling with. It's been nice hanging out with you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.